Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tesco Bank account using a mobile device. If you'd like to log into your mobile banking account for Tesco Bank using your mobile device, but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by opening up a web browser on your mobile device. In the address field at the top, type in www.tescobank.com and search. You'll soon end up in the official website of Tesco Bank, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the human icon, which will bring up an expanded menu. If you've not registered or enrolled for your Tesco Bank account, then you can tap on the register button. But if you already have an account and you'd like to log in, tap on the login option and wait for a few seconds. On the next page, you'll need to type in your username that is associated with your account. Go ahead and type it into the text field. Make sure to type in the correct username. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can tap on this box right here that says remember username. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box. After you're done, tap login. On the next page, you'll be able to see the password text box appearing. Simply type in your password into the text box and you'll be able to log into your account on Tesco Bank using your mobile device. That is all for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.